can do some pretty cool stuff with slow motion video. Multiple slow-mo breaks in one video? Now we're talking. First, make sure your camera is in super slow motion. Then, tap the settings icon. Tap super slow-mo and select multi-take. Then, return to your camera. You can record in auto or manual mode, but we'll just do auto for now. Once you have your shot set up, press record. Make sure you hold the phone steady and wait for the box to turn yellow. When there is movement in the yellow box, your Note 9 will record in slow motion up to 10 times in a single video. When finished, hit stop. To review the footage, enter your gallery. Then, tap here to make edits. From here, you can turn off slow motion, shorten the video, and even switch up the music. When you're done, tap share or save.